Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here with Rambler RS. Yes, I have tested it upon my last flight. Set it with HD camera, which is actually already recording, so that it doesn't turn off. I don't have to on the ground. Let's fly it within 2 kilometer range. Why not more than 2 kilometer range? Well, guess I have to make that video why I don't fly long range FPV anymore. So once again, today I will test just go 2 kilometer. That's the fencing says. And I will test auto return to home and circling, because I want to chase it while it circles on RTH with another plane. That's the next video. That's the plan of next video. 1 pilot, 2 FPV planes chasing each other. So stay tuned for that, obviously. Let's fly this one. All set. Let's throw it in the air and enjoy. Alright, this is on Google Maps. I'm going to show you my today's flight plan. I will go all the way here. You can see the values in kilometers, and then here and back to RC Airport. Alright, during this flight, the longest stretch I will do will be this, from this point to this point, almost 4.5 kilometer. Let's do it. Alright, taking off in manual mode as usual and then switching to stabilized mode. I'm using my Q6 Firefly camera, which shoots HD video and at the same time works as an FPV camera. I have turned off the EIS, electronic image stabilization, so you can actually see the real flight and how well the Rambler RS is actually flying. Before I go any further or far, I actually want to test the return to home so that I know everything is working very well. So here, plane is coming back, climb to 130 meters altitude, climbing. And yes, one thing you really want to notice, if you go full screen, you can see my previous videos in the same area, same angle. COVID-19 lockdown has done miracles. You can see how far and clear you can see whole city, and the mountains hundreds of kilometers away. You can see them very clearly. Amazing, right? Very clear view. So throughout this you will enjoy very clear view during this flight. Now you can see that plane is circling at 130 meters altitude, clearing the building very well. Okay, so this goes very well. Now we will go in this direction, and you know, I have set the fencing to 3 kilometers this time, so we will see how the fencing works. And I also switched my R9M to 500 milliwatts, so I have plenty of range to control. I'm not worried. I'm testing the fencing at this moment, the 3 kilometer fencing, how it works. Turning off the OSD so you can enjoy the beautiful view. Once again, see, before I used to fly in same direction, same area, I could barely see other bridge, but now I can see all the way to Shanghai, the other city. Literally, I can see all the way to other cities. That clear after this lockdown. So yes, this COVID-19 lockdown really has done miracles to world's atmosphere. 1.4 kilometer away is still going and cruising, using only 6.5 amp while cruising at 61 kilometer an hour, climbing up to 190 meters altitude. This area has turned beautiful actually. You can see new things are being constructed. There's a new port, local port is being constructed here. New road is there, and a new bridge you can see right there in the middle of the sea, not sea, the river. The new bridge is being constructed. So we'll have one more bridge to cross the river. Okay, 2 kilometers away, you can see from the OSD draining 66.7 M and 65 kilometer an hour speed, 248 meter altitude. Once again, OSD off, so you can actually see the area. Next, I want to go in this direction straight to that bridge so that we can watch some high-speed fast trains going. I'll do that flight next. That bridge is around 5 to 6 kilometers, I believe. Almost 5 to 6 kilometers. And if I want to test the range 10 kilometers on my R9M Mini, I can go in the same direction all the way 10 kilometers, which will be almost to the next city. Next city is 15 kilometers from that area. That will be nice. I can say hello to my friends in that city. Anyway, so now you can see 2.9 kilometer fencing is almost done. Yes, and plane automatically return to home. I will turn off the OSD and let the plane return to home so you can actually watch again. See, you can see so far, so clear everything in this city. Amazing, nice views. I have never had these kind of clear days before. I'm actually having fun today. Even from standard definition video in my goggles, I can actually see very far and very clear. I'm having fun with this flight. Okay, so I took off the goggles while the plane is on return to home mode. I cheated. I went 3,000 meters, that is 3 kilometers today, fencing, and it did 3 kilometers. It's coming back. It's somewhere over the bridge, I believe, coming back. So let me check the goggles, take control. It's fun. Plane is on RTH, it's coming back, it's somewhere over there. I cannot hear it. It's on at 247 meters altitude and holding very well. Almost above the RC airport. I can see it, of course, small tiny plane flying so high. Come on, where are you? I don't see you. Okay, it's losing the altitude to 130 meters now because it has come back to the home and then it was circling around. So let me take charge right here. Ooh, right above the houses. Okay, cleared that building. Now making this turn, so it should be here. Oh, there it is. I see it. I thought it was a bird. I thought it was a bird, but it's not a bird. Circling very well, so I will take control. In the stabilized mode, turn left. 60 km/h speed. I'm not shooting the DVR, so let's record the DVR again so that people can see. Right in the middle above the green, 110 meters altitude I'm losing. So keep it here and test circling. Hold on. Point the antenna towards the plane. One moment. I'll keep it here and let it circle. Circle, circle. Alright. Let me just see one moment. Okay, right above the river, it's circling around. And it's actually doing very well. Where is it? Actually, it's really difficult to see. Such a tiny bird. Is it still flying or is crashed? I don't know. Still flying? Maybe it crashed? No, let me check. Hold on. Don't let me worry. Ah, it's still flying. It's just that it's pretty far. I cannot see it. Oh, there it is. I see it. Beautiful, beautiful circles. I see it. Superb. We are draining only 5.8 amps. Awesome. So if I increase the circle radius, it will keep on circling right around there. So what I'm gonna do is turn off the see, this is SML. I love it. MashaAllah, it's very good. What I'm gonna do is turn off the OSD. Sit here. One moment. Get my SitPack 2.0, not 2.0, SitPack Zen X, and lock this. Yeah, make sure to lock this properly. Save my bum getting something up. The bum. Okay, and just like this. I'm gonna sit here, fly it around until the battery runs out, and then we'll see how many kilometers we have accumulated on this flight. Okay, so let's do it. Alright, back with commentary. Now let's go in this direction. Normally I avoid going in this direction because as you will watch in my next video why I don't fly long-range FPV, one of the signal jammers is right there on that road at my right side. I believe, if I am not wrong, I have seen some very strange antennas pointed there, and previously one or two of my planes running 2.4 GHz actually acted very strange, but now I'm running 900 MSZ, that's R9M, so I'm not worried about that. Look at this bridge, this beautiful, I mean, I've never flown to this bridge FPV planes before until I did that chimney flight, and at night this bridge is really beautiful, so I'm thinking I will do a night flight to show you how this bridge and this area looks and how the city looks at night with while I fly a Rambler RS and using the same HD camera. Now in front of you, you will see that's where we live, and just next to our area there is a school, that is Arish's school. Arish walks there every day. It's just next to our living area, so he does a good exercise, runs to his school and runs back home. MashaAllah, he's doing very well. And after that you can see the famous stadium that you have watched since 2006 in my videos. Someday I will go through those little areas in the stadium. Anyway, turn to this side. Bringing you to this mountain. I actually avoid flying over this mountain, but today, hey, check this out. This looks like a swimming pool and a water play area, like water resort or something like that. Nice. Looks like a nice swimming pool right here, or maybe water treatment plant. Anyway, we will scale this mountain and go back towards the RC airport. What a beautiful view right here from this mountain, and right behind the mountain, if you see, those are factories. I believe they are closed for now, so we have very clean environment. Otherwise they actually create a smog a lot. Anyway, I hope they move these factories away from the city, and we would like to have this clean environment going on all the time. That's good. Okay, coming back to RC airport, and now after circling a lot, I'm just aimlessly flying here there, just to, you know, drain the battery and see how many kilometers I can accumulate on a single flight. So I'll go towards the bridge, turn over the bridge, and come back. Man, it's amazing how clear everything you can see these days. I wish we as humans realize what we are doing to our Earth and its atmosphere, and, you know, do seriously take measures to keep our atmosphere this clean. Okay, making a turn and coming back to the RC airport. I'll do a bit more circling around and you will see my ground commentary as well, so let's switch to that. Man, it's been long. I'm really boring and I'm hot. I'm fasting. I'm sweating. I'm thirsty. Still have a few more hours to go before I can break fast. Yes, this is Ramadan. Ramadan Mubarak to all Muslim people around the world. It's still flying, man. Now I'm on 3.6 volt, which is the volts where, I mean, on the battery where you should land. I can see the plane circling beautifully, mashallah, man. I love it. Absolutely beautiful circles. And almost 30 kilometers. So once it hits the 30 kilometer mark, accumulated 30 kilometers in one flight, I will land. Okay, so let me see, hold on, how much? 28.7 kilometer, 3.5 volt. All right, man, it's time to land. 3.45 volts, time to land. Okay, time to land. Draining only 2.7 amp, 13.7 volt and 3.4 volt per cell left. Man, that is low. 3.3. Okay, time to land immediately. So I'm making nice and smooth turn, making an approach as usual from these trees. There used to be an abandoned tea house. It's gone. I used to fly FPV whoops around there and under and above. It's gone. Anyway, so coming in, and I'm using FPV video goggles to make this approach and landing because it really feels like flying a real plane and it gives more accurate and better landings. Check this out and enjoy the smooth landing. We have landed! We have landed. Let's run. The Fimi Palm, I can run. It's really stabilized gimbal. I'm thinking I can put this gimbal on that plane next. That'll be nice. Amazing stabilized video, right? So the plane is back. Yay! After 30.4 kilometer accumulated on one flight. I mean, what else can you ask for? This is absolutely the superb long-range FPV flying wing you will ever put your hands on. Once you fly Rambler RS, once you have tasted that real sweet feeling of flying long-range FPV with this nice little compact wing, you're not gonna go to other wings, trust me. You're gonna hooked with this one, just like I am. So I did the 3 kilometers today. Next 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. That's what this module say, R9M, that you can do 10 kilometers. We will put that to a test as well, that if we can go that far on a tiny receiver. Thank you very much for staying with me on this long flight. Stay tuned for more flights coming your way. Long range FPV flights. Oh yes, after this video I'm gonna shoot and tell you why I don't fly long range FPV anymore. Let's do that video right away. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.